The book of Hosea, chapter 14, King James. O Israel, return unto the Lord thy God, for thou hast fallen by thine iniquity. Take with you words, and turn to the Lord. Say unto him, Take away all iniquity, and receive us graciously. So will we render the calves of our lips. Ashur shall not save us. We will not ride upon horses. Neither will we say any more to the work of our hands, Ye are our gods. For in thee the fatherless findeth mercy. I will heal their backsliding. I will love them freely. For mine anger is turned away from him. I will be as the dew unto Israel. He shall grow as the lily, and cast forth his roots as Lebanon. His branches shall spread, and his beauty shall be as the olive tree, and his smell as Lebanon. They that dwell under his shadow shall return. They shall revive as the corn, and grow as the vine. The scent thereof shall be as the wine of Lebanon. Ephraim shall say, What have I to do any more with idols? I have heard him and observed him. I am like a green fir tree. For me is thy fruit found. Who is wise, and he shall understand these things? Prudent, and he shall know them? For the ways of the Lord are right, and the just shall walk in them, but the transgressors shall fall therein. Commentary, main themes, and context. Hosea chapter 14 is the final word of the book, and it is a call to return filled with hope, restoration, and renewal. After chapters of warning, judgment, and exposure of sin, God closes with an invitation, not condemnation. 1. A clear call to return. O Israel, return unto the Lord thy God. This is the heart of the chapter. The problem is named plainly. Thou hast fallen by thine iniquity. But the solution is just as clear. Return to God. This shows that no matter how far someone has fallen, the door back is still open. 2. Repentance with words and heart. God even teaches them how to return. Take with you words. This is not about ritual. It is about honest confession, acknowledging sin, asking for grace, and turning away from false trust. 3. Rejecting false dependence. Ashur shall not save us, neither will we say any more. Ye are our gods. True repentance includes letting go of what we once trusted, whether power, systems, or idols, and placing full trust in God alone. 4. God's promise to heal and restore. I will heal their backsliding. I will love them freely. This is one of the most beautiful promises in Hosea. God does not merely tolerate returning people. He heals, restores, and loves them freely. 5. A picture of renewal and growth. The imagery shifts from dryness and destruction to life and flourishing. Dew bringing refreshment, a lily growing in beauty roots like Lebanon, strong and deep. This shows that restoration is not partial, it is abundant. 6. Freedom from idolatry. Ephraim declares, What have I to do any more with idols? This is the mark of real change, not just turning to God, but turning away from what once replaced him. 7. A final word of wisdom. The chapter closes with a reflection. The ways of the Lord are right. The just shall walk in them. This is both a summary and a choice. God's ways are clear, but each person must decide whether to walk in them or reject them. 8. Primary message. Hosea 14 teaches that no fall is beyond the reach of God's call to return. True repentance involves both confession and change. God's love is freely given to those who return. Restoration brings new life, strength, and growth. The ways of the Lord are right and lead to life. This final chapter leaves us not with judgment, but with hope. It reminds us that while sin brings consequences, God's desire is always restoration. The invitation still stands. Return to the Lord and live.